Want to supercharge your online business with a Skrill merchant account? You've come to the right place. Here's your captivating, informative, and professional guide to getting a Skrill merchant account in 2025. Why Skrill? Skrill is a top-tier digital wallet provider that allows you to accept payments from customers worldwide. With a Skrill merchant account, you can go global, accept over 100 local payment methods and 40+ currencies, simplify payments, offer a seamless, mobile-optimized checkout experience, boost conversions, attract a wider customer base by offering a popular payment option, enjoy peace of mind, benefit from robust fraud screening and top-notch security. Step-by-step guide your Skrill merchant account journey. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before you start, make sure you're good to go. Skrill requires you to be a registered business entity or a sole proprietor. Your business must not be involved in restricted activities like unlicensed gambling or the sale of illegal goods. Step 2. Get your documents ready. Gather these essential documents to make your application a breeze. Business registration, your certificate of incorporation or similar document. Proof of address, a recent utility bill or bank statement. Identification, a valid ID for each business owner. Website, a functional website with clear terms of service, a privacy policy, contact details, and product descriptions. Step 3. Apply for your account. Head over to the Skrill for Business website and start your application. You'll need to provide your business details, a working email address, and the documents you gathered in Step 2. Step 4. Verification and approval. Skrill's team will review your application and documents. This is where they ensure everything is in order. A little patience is key here. Once approved, you'll receive your merchant account details and can move on to the next step. Step 5. Integrate and go live. This is the fun part. You can now integrate Skrill into your website. Skrill offers various integration options and has partnerships with major e-commerce platforms, making the process simple. Once integrated, you can start accepting payments and growing your business.